The latest on that Royal Caribbean cruise heading back to New Jersey this morning after getting caught in hurricane force winds.
That ship is expected to return here tomorrow morning so they wouldn't have to endure yet another storm. Some of the first-hand accounts from passengers are really quite terrifying. Take a look at this new video. Rough seas ultimately causing the Royal Caribbean cruise ship to turn around. This morning, the ship is on its way back to New Jersey after hurricane force winds gusting over 100 miles per hour and 30 to 40-foot waves prevented it from making it to its final destination of the Bahamas. Passengers used cell phones to capture scenes that looked like they were right out of the Titanic. Flying furniture and shattered glass as massive waves pounded the anthem of the seas, the captain ordering the 4,500 passengers and 1,600 crew members to stay in their rooms for hours. Royal Caribbean apologized to passengers in a statement Monday, adding, while the weather was unpleasant, the